In today's morning rounds, the effort to make a more trendy hearing aid. The new federal law signed this month could help to speed up innovations to make devices more affordable. Some could also be available over the counter for the first time without a prescription. Tech companies are now working to transform the way hearing aids are designed and marketed. John Blackstone visited one startup company with its ear on the market.
Headphones and earbuds transform the way we listen to music. Now, the tech industry wants to do the same for how the hearing impaired hear the world.
It's been a very difficult experience for me.
Gayle Liu has worn hearing aids since she was 2.5 years old. Her devices today are small and hidden, but that doesn't mean the stigma has disappeared.
You wear glasses, and it's socially acceptable. You might have 5 or 6 pairs. That's a fashion statement. Why can't hearing technology be that way?
Liu works for Doppler Labs, a San Francisco-based startup that hopes to market a version of its $300 Hear One earbuds as an alternative to standard prescription hearing aids that cost thousands.
This industry is going to be completely disrupted. The question is by who? This is for your left ear.
Noah, CEO and co-founder of Doppler Labs, says the earbuds are not just for those with hearing loss. They can be used to stream music, answer calls, and raise or lower sounds around you. In a demonstration room made to sound like a noisy restaurant.
So can we really turn up the restaurant?
Yeah, sure.
Kraft showed me how his earbuds and a smartphone app can help anyone hear better.
So now you're amplifying and enhancing my speech, and that's essentially what a hearing aid would do. So
these could be hearing aids.
you got it.
An audio sample from Doppler also simulates what it sounds like on an airplane when the noise filter is activated.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Flight 2998 bound for Atlanta, Georgia.
Doppler's product is currently sold in select stores and online as wireless earbuds, not as a hearing aid. But that could soon change. In August, the Senate passed a measure that will allow companies like Doppler to market devices directly to people with mild to moderate hearing loss. No prescription needed.
What this legislation does is it opens the market to technological leaders to say, we're actually looking at these problems differently.
Roughly 40 million adults in the U.S. suffer from some hearing loss. In a study earlier this year, researchers at Johns Hopkins found the rates may nearly double by 2060.
You're gonna need hearing aids.
Audiologist Saul Marzar wants more people with hearing loss to get help, but worries self-diagnosing might in some cases mask a bigger problem.
There are many diseases that create hearing loss, and they could be medically or surgically manageable. And by just going and getting a hearing aid, you will neglect that.
Doppler isn't the only company that sees huge market potential. A handful of others have introduced similar audio-enhancing gadgets.
Everybody's needs are a little different. Can you match them with an over-the-counter product?
We can do it better, and I say that with full confidence.
Noah Kraft and Gayle Liu hope that for those with hearing loss, high-tech earbuds will not just bring sound, but also acceptance.
She may be amplifying the world, and I may be streaming music. We're both just using our ears. We just happen to hear the world differently.
For CBS This Morning, John Blackstone, San Francisco.
I think they're onto something because it looks like they could become an accessory. I'm torn between making them invisible or making them really colorful.
Really cool.
Yeah, making them really cool and colorful.
We know so many people who just refuse to go there because of vanity.
That's called vanity.
Vanity.
I want to hear, so whatever they can do to help that, I'm for it.